Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Terry Bates. I am the owner of A God-Given Talent T-shirts and crafts. And today we'll be doing a tutorial on how to create a mock-up design with Silhouette Design Studio. I will be working with the business version. So let's get started. Today we're going to be working with the advertise graphic here. We're going to go ahead and center that a little and going to change the color to pink so that we can see it a bit better. There we go. I'm going to change the outline to pink to match as well so that we don't want an outline on the shirt. So we're going to go ahead and merge in a picture here of a lady wearing a blank shirt, and I got this from Gildan. They offer free pictures of their shirts for, of course, if you're buying from them, then it's beneficial to them. So we're going to bring this to the front, move it over to center it on the shirt. Okay, we're centering it on the shirt. Got that. I'm going to make it small, just a little bit smaller, so it'll look more realistic, so it won't come off the shirt. So it actually looks like print is printed on the shirt. Now we're going to select both the t-shirt and the design. And we're going to go File, Save Selection. I'm going to save this to my hard drive. So it's saving the selection. What I selected, which is the t-shirt and the advertise graphic. And I'm just going to name it advertise mockup, and you want to change the save as type to JPEG, because if you don't, it'll just save as a studio file. So clicking on JPEG here and OK. And here you can change the pixels if needed. I'm going to leave it as they are. You know, if you need a certain size, so I'm going to leave it just like it is. And now, if we go to our folder where we saved it, I think I saved mine under Documents, and look for it. Yeah, and if we double click on it, there you go. It should come up, and it should show your markup design. And this is very helpful when designing things for customers, or when you make your new collection. This is a great way to do this without actually making all of the products, which could be a great overhead cost. Well, thank you for watching today, and I hope this was helpful. You can find me at www.agodgiventalent.com. Have a great day.